know what time it is, man. Street whipz, baby. We out here in Alabama, man. We about to turn up, my boy Miles, you know what I'm saying?
2016 Magic City Classic, we in this thing. Street whipz, Nocturnal, King Obama, we in this thing. Come holla at your boy, Street whipz in this thing. Let's do it.
All my niggas out here riding them big rims, man. You spinning, stop and spin them bitches, man. Sitting on them inches, man. Pull that bitch on the curb on these hoes, man. You know them hoes love that shit, man.
Big rim, them hoes love them big rim, big rim. Them hoes fuck them big rim, them hoes shoot them big rim, them hoes a fool by big rim. Them hoes love them big rim, them hoes fuck them big rim, them hoes shoot them big rim, them hoes a fool by big rim, man, you know them hoes love them. Big block running, got the big rims burning rubber. Do you stop in the streets and let them bitches keep spinning? Do you offset the back and just sit on beats? Hit them buttons all shining. MAT's a G funny. Do you buy your rims high to go to Vegas, spend that money? Skin is stunning, wear them like a whip. Side match the body match the lip. Let your inside custom, take it to the one. Your paint shine hard, nighttime, man, it's sun. You spend your rims for fun. Every time they start spinning, Diagos on them skinners, got them bitches blowing kisses. Big rim, them hoes love them big rim, them hoes fuck them big rim, them hoes shoot them big rim, them hoes a fool by big rim, them hoes love them big rim, them hoes fuck them big rim,
New Mexico, nigga. Steady up, let's go, nigga.
fool by big rim.
Pull up on them big rims, my shit standing too tall. Old school whip paint drip when I pass y'all. Think you really stuntin', you ain't doing nothing. Them little ass rims, dawg, you ain't doing nothing. My inside is brand new, my motor is brand new. Bet 100,000 that I will pass you. Yo, that is old school, my Giovanni's, they killing you. These shoes max the paint, nigga. This is what money do. All these hoes be choosing, wanna hop in the ride, but I ain't got no time, cause these hoes be wasting time. All these hoes be choosing, they be wanna ride, but I ain't got no time, cause these hoes be wasting time. Gone.
Big rim, them hoes love them big rim, them hoes fuck them big rim, them hoes shoot them big rim, them hoes a fool by big rim, them hoes love them big rim, them hoes fuck them big rim, them hoes shoot them big rim, them hoes a fool by big rim.
Hey, that was the video.
I gotta get my hair together.
The video, go ahead.
Get my hair together. The video?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. M-Town Riders. We out here with Street whipz. Y'all know we're going on Memphis 10. We're down here at Birmingham Classic for the Magic City Classic. Let me start off. Y'all know what it is, Rock the Mayor BAZ, man. M-Town Riders, y'all know what's going on out here with Street whipz at the Magic City Car and Bike Show. Y'all know what's going down real big. Shout out to you, showing love, man. Memphis, Tennessee, Atlanta, Alabama. We all a family, man. One.
See? Nigga, I'ma tell you straight like this. If you woke up this morning, nigga, you blessed. Look, I need a big amount for what they talking about. These niggas showing the kitty. I skipped the class and we showed our ass and we showed the teacher no pity. These niggas scared, I'm so prepared. I was too clever and witty. Go for the money, I'm painting the picture for all of my niggas and bitches. Notice I want it, I always was on it forever. I'm going to get it. Never was scared, I'm always prepared. Showing them boys that we with it. Fucking the package, driving while trafficking. What do you know about digits? Fucking them skillets inside my kitchen. I used to watch daddy cook pigeons. Dilly departed, forgive me. Hold that my niggas is with it. We running the town and we fuck up the city. I'm serving that Bobby and Whitney. Keep Keeping some green in my pocket, strapped up with a rocket. Face clean, but you never know when niggas wanna change up the topic. So Heavenly Father, I came today on some G shit. You know what they say? Me and my team on some G shit. Never stopping, always popping. Police always clocking, hoes watching. Fuck niggas hating, and never ever jockey. 17, fuck a 38, bitch I had a Glock 9. Sunbound, Crystal Lake apartments. Used to trap by the stop sign. Catch an order, then catch a nigga daughter. Get the pussy you slaughter. Nigga, catch an order. Don't ask for no damn time, get that shit from the border. I used to run for it, my had hated it. Pops always show love, young nigga, wanna be book smart, but I always sold drugs. Had to keep the newest J's out, whole ounce just to blaze out. 7 tray with the top chop, skirts poking with the blade sticking out. That's game, nigga. Let me get these niggas right, man. I'm just having a little bit of fun for now, man. Carshow City till a nigga die, boy. We forever alive, long as he breathing. Believe that shit. Hey Jay, we need a big amount. For what these niggas be talking about. I know I'm the hottest out. Say they run the city, but they never out. Get a fuck nigga around me, I wear him out. Like I'm inside the booth, I'ma wear him out. I swear to God, they don't want no drama now with Z. No, watch him out. Playing dirty, bitch, I'm all for it. They say they good.
And I'm gonna kill you with base coat clip. And I'm gonna kill the nigga who holding the camera shit too.
Definitely ain't gonna be blind in your ass, nigga. That bitch gonna be blind in your ass.
Shit.
You gotta take the dubs off that motherfucker.
No, nigga, I'm keeping them floats. Bitch, I'm gonna buy some 40s anyway, just on GP, just to have them. I'm gonna have them on back of the truck. If I pull up and you talking shit, I'm gonna tell somebody, pay somebody, take them floaters off, stick these on there. They don't be squatting harder than you, running harder than you, and yours. You know it.
JT and KJ coming soon.
Yeah,
you bust
man.
that nigga ass.
I'ma fuck him up in his Carshow next year. Y'all be ready for that.
Hey.
We ain't been no money.
I'ma get.
We been that title if he got it.
I'ma get it. I'ma get a nigga to hit.
If he got it.
If he got it.
Shit.
We doing that title.
I ain't got no title, man. I'm broke.
Yes,
I ain't got none.
he ain't got nothing. He got a bill of sale.
I title palm my shit.
So me too, baby.
Niggas say they be cowboy.
Yeah, title fun. Hey, real shit, I'll do that too. Shit, that's what them titles for. So you ain't gotta go in that piggy bank. I stay doing that shit for real. Give me 10,000 right quick. I'll bring it back next week.
Hey, can I get
Don't show you nothing about $500.
Go ahead.
The real king of Alabama. Hold on, not yet.
See?
Hold on, let me turn.
I gotta think of something to say. Ain't you the real king of Alabama? The real king of Alabama. The real king of Alabama. Title game.
Just press the button.
I'll still making payments on this truck.
Just turn that shit on. Press the button.
Stop putting my business out there like that, man.
Damn. And the title
I
part.
only owe 2 more grand, man. Goddamn.
You record.
Maybe over 50 recording out here, man. 2 grand, we got $20,000 worth of wheels.
Hell yeah. Crazy. Everything else paid for.
I like this motherfucker though. He's supposed to be hosting the show, but he's supposed to be hosting. You supposed to have a mic, waving to the crowd.
Right.
Show him how to do that shit.
Yeah, y'all do it. I don't want to do this shit. I guess they put a name on there, they can get a crowd or something. Should have brought my boy Bama on there.
He gonna bring the real crowd.
I bring the real crowd.
Hey, you know they're going on YouTube, right?
They owe you from real time. You gonna take that shit. Trying to get yourself. Grab a shot, get it.